How to manage DVR storage on YouTube TV. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about managing DVR storage on YouTube TV. One of the great features of YouTube TV is its unlimited cloud DVR, meaning you don't have to worry about storage space limits. However, you might want to manage your recordings by deleting ones you've finished watching. Let's see how to do that. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, which means you can record as many shows and movies as you want simultaneously, and there are no limits on how much content you can store. Recordings are generally kept for 9 months. Because the storage is unlimited, you don't need to free up space in the traditional sense like you would with a physical hard drive. However, you can manage your library by removing recordings you no longer wish to keep. To remove a recording from your YouTube TV library, you can do this within the YouTube TV app on most devices, including smart TVs, streaming sticks, and mobile devices. Open the YouTube TV app and navigate to your library. The library section is where you'll find all of your recorded content. In the library, find the show, movie, or event that you want to remove. Select the title. On the details page for that recording, you should see an option to remove from library, delete, or an icon like a trash can. Select this option. You may be asked to confirm that you want to remove the recording. Confirm your action. The recording will then be removed from your YouTube TV library. Remember that since the DVR is unlimited, removing recordings is mainly for organization and decluttering your library rather than freeing up space. Removing a series recording will stop future episodes from being recorded. We hope this video clarified how DVR storage works on YouTube TV and how to manage your recordings by removing them from your library. If you found this information useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.